Hi, first grade. Today we will review and write this week's high frequency words and words with SH. We will do that by repeating and spelling words, by blending words to make words, blending sounds to make words, and by practicing our handwriting. Then we will read our 2 new stories. This is important so that we can become more fluent readers. So this week we will meet Jan. Jan has one wish. Jan wants a pet. Jan and Dad look for a pet at the county fair. Will they find the right pet for Jan? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read so we can find out if Jan gets her wish. Our first new high-frequency word is by. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. By. By. The flowers by the pond are pretty. Say the word again after me. By. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. B-Y. By. The letter Y stands for the long I sound. Blend with me. B-I. By. Now skywrite the word by. B-Y. Now try to write it without looking. B-Y. Our next word is call. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Call. Call. I will call him tomorrow. Say the word again after me. Call. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. C-A-L-L. The letter A stands for the sound aw. Blend with me. K-aw-l. Call. Now skywrite the word call. C-A-L-L. Now try to write it without looking. C-A-L-L. Our next word is could. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Could. Could. I didn't know he could walk on his hands. Say the word again after me. Could. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. C-O-U-L-D. In this word, the letters O-U stand for the sound. The letter L is silent. Blend with me. K-D. Could. Now skywrite the word could. C-O-U-L-D. Try to write it without looking. C-O-U-L-D. Our next word is no. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. No. No. I know the answer. Say the word again after me. No. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it out loud. K-N-O-W. The letters K-N stand for the sound N. The letters O-W stand for the long O sound O. Blend with me. N-O. Now skywrite the word no. K-N-O-W. Try to write it without looking. K-N-O-W. Our next word is some. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Some. Some. I got some oranges at the store. Say the word again after me. Some. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. S-O-M-E. In this word, the letter O stands for the short U sound, The E is silent. Blend with me. S-M. Some. Now skywrite the word some. S-O-M-E. Try to write it without looking. S-O-M-E. E. Our next word is there. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. There. There. Please put the bags over there. Say the word again after me. There. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. T-H-E-R-E. The letters T-H stand for the th sound. In this word, the letters E-R-E stand for the sound air. Blend with me. Air. There. Now skywrite the word there. T-H-E-R-E. Try to write it without looking. T-H-E-R-E. Our next word is were. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Were. Were. Were you warm under your blanket? Say the word again after me. Were. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-E-R-E. In this word, the letters E-R-E stand for the sound. Blend with me. W-er. Were. Now skywrite the word were. W-E-R-E. Now try to write it without looking. W-E-R-E. Our last word is would. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Would. Would. They said they would meet us later. Say the word again after me. Would. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-O-U-L-D. In this word, the letters O-U stand for the sound The letter L is silent. Blend with me. W-D. Would. Now skywrite the word would. W-O-U-L-D. Now try to write it without looking. W-O-U-L-D. Let's read all the new words we learned together starting on the first line. By, call, could, no, some, there, were, would. Good job, first grade. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Here are 3 pictures. Today you will listen for the beginning sounds in words. I'm going to say some words. They all begin with s, or sh. You will say the picture name that begins with the same sound. I will do the first one. The word is shape. I hear sh at the beginning of shape. Which picture name begins with the same sound as shape? Is it sun, hat, or shirt? If you said shirt, you are exactly right. Shirt begins with the sh sound. Now you try it. Listen for the beginning sound in each word I say. Say the sound and then say the picture name that begins with the same sound. Ready? Hope. Hug. Sit. Sheep. Soap. Have. Sail. Good job. Now we are going to practice blending sounds to say words. Remember that each tile on the screen stands for one sound. You can look at the tiles on the screen to follow along as I say the sounds. Listen as I do the first one. The sounds are sh, a, k, s. Listen as I blend. Sh, a, k, s. When I blend sh, a, k, s, I get the word shakes. Now you blend to say these words. Sh, a, v, s, s, t, a. Okay, let's do some more. Remember that each tile on the screen stands for a sound in the word. The first word is have. A, v. S, I, ng. G, s. H, I, m. S, ox. D, I, sh. O, ul. F, a, s. Great job blending those sounds into words, first grade. Now let's talk about letters and sounds. Shark begins with the sh sound. Sometimes two letters come together to make one new sound. The consonant letters SH together stand for the sh sound. The letters can stand for the sh sound at the beginning or end of a word. Look at the first word. The sounds for the letters in this word are sh, ul, shell. The consonant letters SH stand for the sh sound at the beginning of shell. This word has only one vowel, E. Remember when there is one vowel in a word and it is followed by one or more consonants? The vowel is usually short. Look at the second word. The sounds for the letters in this word are w, I, sh. Wish. This word has only one vowel, and it is followed by one or more consonants. Then that makes the vowel short. Consonant letters SH stand for the sh sound at the end of wish. Now let's blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first two letters are sh, SH, sh. Now let's slide over the next letter in line 2. Remember that when there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's blend the two sounds. Sh, ah. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Sh, ah. Read it with me. Shop. Very, very good. Now, remember, shark begins with the sh sound. SH makes the sh sound. So repeat after me. SH, shark, sh. One more time. SH, shark, sh. Very good. Now we're going to practice writing our letters B, H, and R. Did everybody go get their journal and a pencil? If not, pause the video really quickly so you can write some B's, H's, and R's with us. Look at the letters on the screen. We have a lowercase b, a lowercase h, and a lowercase r. To write a B, you start at the top line, pull down to the bottom line, go up to the middle line and around like a belly. B has a belly. To write an H, you start on the top line and go down, up, and down. To write an R, you start on the middle line and go down, up, and around. Now you are going to practice writing a row of B's, a row of H's, and a row of R's in your journal with finger spaces. Now you are ready to read Pet Wish.